Hey guys, today I'm back with another video on how to build a puzzle box. So, like always, take your two 1x4s, and you will need 5 1x4s, 2 4x4 flats, 1x4 flat, 4 1x4 tiles, 5 2x2 bricks, 6 2x4 bricks, 9 1x2 flats, 6 1x2 tiles, 1 grill, 7 1x2 bricks. So yeah, let's get started. You get your 1x2s and place them on either side of each other, and then get it like this, 2x4 in the middle, and then get your 1x2 tile and a 1x4 tile and make it like this. Then get your 1x2 brick and close off right here. Then we'll put that to the side. Grab your 1x4 1x4 flat. And you will need 2 yellow 1x2 tiles. One needs to be clear, one needs to be solid. Take your clear one and place it at the top. Take one 1x2 tile and take your grill and place it like this, and get your 1x2 flat and do that. And then if yours is backwards, if yours is backwards of the mold, just flip it around, and then you have that. So then get 2 1x2 bricks, 1x4 bricks, and do that. Then get your 2x4 bricks and cover the key. And now when you get the key out, you just slide it. Make sure it's not too tight on there. And then, yeah. So you'll take it, slide it out. And then your build has 2 treasures. Found one of the treasures if they take the key out. So then we're gonna get building to our treasure, the second one. So before we do that, get another row of bricks, 2x4s, go boom, and then get 3 1x2 tile, 1x2 flats. Do it like that. Get your solid yellow piece. Put that to the side. And then get a 1x2 tile and place it right there. And then grab your other 1x2 tile and place it right there. And then build around. And in my previous build, I used tape in it So all my bricks are like sticking together and then they fly around once they unstick. So it's kind of hard. And then place your treasure like this. And then get 1x2 flats and double them up so there's 2 on each side of the treasure. As you can see, there's 2. And then get your last 2x4 and place it over that. And then, if you need to, grab 2 more 1x2 flats. After you got your 2 1x2 flats, put that, put it right there, put that on top. Then your key should fit in. Now, before you give it to the person, make sure you really push down the treasure so they can't shake it out really. Or what you can do is put 1x2 flat on each side and have them break off the 2x4. You can do it both ways, but I'm going to do it the way where you have to break off the 2x4. So I'll be right back with them taken off. Okay, I'm back and I did it. So this is what it would look like if you have 1x2 flat on each side. So then they'll have to go like this, and then yeah. Or again, another way you can do it is have 2 1x2s and that there. And then the key will almost fit. It won't fully fit in. So, yeah. And then on one side, not on both, but one, put another 1x2 brick. And then yeah, so I'll be right back with that happening. Okay, so I'm back with the 3 1x2 flats on one side and 2 1x2 flats on the other side, and here's how it looks. So you can use the key to get it out, and then yeah. So I tested it out with the key. I put it back in, obviously, and build around the thing. Okay. Now this. And so you can do whatever you want right now. So I'll be back in a minute when I get done decorating the top of my puzzle box. Okay, so I'm back with my puzzle box. I've decorated the top. So yeah. I'm going to have somebody solve this, and we'll be right back with how they're going to solve it. So, I'm sorry, the person that was going to solve it isn't going to solve it. So, I'll show you how to solve this. How you solve this is you take your key, treasure number 1. Take your key, stick it onto the 1x2 in there, pull it out, treasure number 2, completed. Puzzle box completed. So, and then once you completed it and set it back up, the treasure number 2, push it back in, and then, yeah, set to go. So, I hope you liked my video. I do videos every Friday, and if I have time, every Monday, too. So, I hope you like my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do next. Thank you for watching, and bye.